To update the Argeno, first ensure that the Argeno is supplied with AC and DC power on at least one string. An update can be performed in two ways, locally via the network or via SolarWeb. To update via SolarWeb, navigate to the SolarWeb system, go to Settings, Components, and if an update is available, you can then click the Update button To perform a software update on a Fronius Argeno via the interface, first download the desired software update from fronius.com. Connect to the Argeno inverter UI. Log in using your username and password. You can now access device configuration. Navigate to Support and Maintenance. Select Firmware Update. Execute Update. You can now select the firmware file that you wish to use for an update. The update process will start. Wait until the process has finished, then shut down and restart the inverter by disconnecting the DC and AC power and waiting for the Argeno to shut down completely before reconnecting. To confirm the update was successful, you can reconnect to the inverter UI and check the software version under Info at the top of the UI.